Hello, what's up, guys? Hope you're all good. Uh, this is my second video in the series of how to solve the Rubik's Cube. I had made a video earlier to solve the first layer, and you can check that out before starting this video. So, this is what a first layer looks like all the pieces arranged in the correct positions, matching with the colors. And some people tell me that this is the first layer. Hang on. Okay, some people solve the cube like this. They do this, but the colors aren't matched, and they say, "Yeah, look, I've solved the first layer." So that is incorrect. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to solve the second layer of the Rubik's cube, in which the pieces, when arranged, look something like this. Like all the pieces arranged in correct positions, and the second layer is complete, and we only have to solve the third layer now. And this is very simple. All you have got to do is search for edge pieces which are not of this yellow color and insert them into their proper positions. Okay, so let's begin. So okay, so number one, you've got to look for edges which have no yellow on them. Okay, so this has a yellow on it. This is a bad edge. Okay, you have to keep the white on the top and search for those layers in the bottom layer. Okay, we got to bring those edge pieces to the bottom layer. Okay, so finally we have found an edge piece here which does not have yellow. Why not yellow? Because we have solved the white layer here, I mean the white side here, and yellow is on the opposite, so we don't want to solve these pieces here because these pieces do not come in the second layer. Okay, so starting off with the first piece, I think this was the one, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so what you've got to do is keep the white on top and search for an edge piece which is not yellow. Okay, so this is orange and green. So what you've got to do is match the orange with the respective color. So now you can see that it forms somewhat of a T. Ignore all these edge and all these pieces here, and find a edge that is not yellow and match it with the color. Now look where the other color is, where the other color center is. So here the other color is yellow, it's green, and the green edge is here. There's a blue edge here. So this piece, orange and green, is matched with the orange center, and the green piece, green center, is here. So watch this carefully. This is a very important step. So because the green center is to the right, you move the edge piece to the left. You follow these 8 movements very carefully. So because the green is to the right, we move it to the left. If the green was here, we would move it to the right. Okay, so guys, if we move the piece to the left, we have to take this down, move it back in and up, and now you've got to insert this piece how you would insert the corner normally, and do something like this, and see the edge piece has sat here in its position. Now look for another edge piece which is not yellow. Yeah, here, red and blue. Sorry for the light problems. Red and blue. So what we're going to do is match the red with red. Blue is here. Look for the blue center. Where's blue center? It's here to the right. So I move this to the left. Take this down like this. Place it back in and up. You've got to do these 4 moves, and you insert this piece back in here the way it was. You know how to do that, right? I hope you know that by now. And the piece is here inside. Now look for another piece which has this. Okay, we found it. It is orange and blue, and we've got to match this orange in its proper position. Okay, so it's matched, and look for the other color, blue. And where's the blue center? No, it's not here this time. It's gonna be on the left side. So since the blue piece is to the left, move it to the right. If the piece was to the right, you should move it to the left. Understand, right? Okay, so take it to the right, down, back in and up. and insert this piece here, back here. Easy, right? You can do it very easily. So now we have only one piece remaining here, and the other three edges are solved. We just did it. Okay, then yeah, here it is, red and green. So match red with red. The green is to the left, so move it to the right. Take this down, put this back in and up. And now insert this back in here. Yay, we just solved the second layer. Okay, so guys, it's very easy to solve the second layer, and as you would have seen by now, I'm going to show you some special cases where you're not going to find any pieces in here. Okay guys, sometimes the second layer is not done, and in the last bottom layer, sorry to rotate the cube, you're gonna find edge pieces all with yellow, which is not what we want, definitely. And this piece is remaining here. This piece has to come here and this piece has to come here. So what you're gonna do is imagine this is the piece which has to go here. Okay, so do those 4 moves, another 4 randomly, and you're gonna see that the yellow piece which was here will have come here, and now you should have the piece. Yeah, it's here in the bottom layer. Okay, let's do this one more time. Insert this green right side, so I move it to the left, this down, back in and up, and I insert it back. Easy. Now where's that last piece? It's here. Okay, so I'm gonna insert this blue in here. So yeah, that's it. So guys, hope this was very easy for you, and in the comment section below, please let me know when I should post the video of the third layer. I would very much like interactions for you, and that's it. We're gonna do it once more, one piece insertion. Okay, match it. Green is in here, so to the right, take this down, put this back in and up, and the corner piece. That's it. Easy. Second layer is done, and now you've got to do only the last layer, which is gonna be my next video on the series. So the last layer, I'll just solve it for you here. Done. So the last layer will make use of algorithms, and in my next video I'm gonna show you all the algorithms that have to be solved to complete the cube. Okay, pretty easy guys. Solved both the cubes. Hey, hi brother, you solved. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe and show it to your friends. Buy a Rubik's cube, start cubing. Really, it helps you in many things, and I cannot name them right now. Okay, so guys, until next time, I will see you later. Bye bye.